Stop sending Python files to your clients. Create a professional Windows app for free.
Hi, I'm Dinesh. Welcome to the series of Data Engineering Made Simple. So are you still telling your business teams to install Python in their system so they can run your automation script? Well, they won't do it because they might not be technically aware of it. So in today's session, I'll explain you how exactly you can turn your Python code into a .exe file and share it with them so they can just double tap on the application and have the application ready in their system. This does not require any Python to be installed in their system. And this gets more interesting, so watch till the end. I have built a Python script, so this will ask the user to upload a CSV file and it generates one more CSV file that has the headers of the original CSV file. So it is just a sample script to show how exactly I'll convert this Python script into executable file. So the most important library for us right now is this, which is autopy2exe. So we have to install this. So the editor I am using is Visual Studio Code. I have already this library installed, so it will show that the requirement is already satisfied, but you can just install in the terminal like this. You can just type pip install autopy2exe. So let's see what it says. So it said requirement is already satisfied, and for you the library will be installed in case if you have not installed before. So the next thing what you have to do is you have to type in the same terminal python space -m auto _py_2_exe. This is the library name which we just installed. So if I just execute this, let's see what happens. So a new dialog box appears. So in that it will ask us to select the script location. So script location is nothing but the Python script. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking on browse and I'm selecting the Python script. I have selected it, that's fine. And you have additional things also here. So you can add any additional files like readme pages or Excel files or any documentations here. And the most important is you can add an icon file also to your application. Like how you have an icon for Edge, for McAfee, for Outlook, right? Similarly for your application, you can create an icon. It could be a PNG, but most preferably I would suggest you to put a .ico file. So for now I'm skipping this and I'm clicking on convert .py2exe. Let's see what happens. You can see the execution is completed and it says that it has been successfully moved to so and so folder. Now let's click on this open output folder. So this is where the executable file is created. So yeah, in the same path, or maybe you can mention the path as well. So here you can see a folder has been created. So in this folder, if you double click on this, you have an application with a .exe type, and if you just click on this, so I have built a basic GUI as I told before, right? It will just show you that. It will ask us to select the file. Let's see how exactly it works. So it is asking me to select a CSV file. I have a sample CSV file here. I just selected it. So now it is asking me where I should put the output. So I'm just selecting downloads here. So I clicked on save and click on enter to exit. Now if I go back to downloads, so this is the file. So now the execution, whatever you have seen, runs without Python, and at the same time you can just directly send this folder like in a zipped format or maybe on a SharePoint to any external teams, and it does not require Python to be installed in their system. So I hope this is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe if you really liked it.